Do you need to carry this camera without breaking it down? Yup, we've got bags for you. The Cineluxe V2 collection includes 2 rollers, 3 backpacks, and 5 shoulder bags designed to hold kitted out cameras of every size, from compact mirrorless all the way to full-size cinema cameras, fully built, ready to shoot. Our doctor bag opening gives you unmatched speed in 2 ways. First, there's unobstructed access through a wide single zipper opening. Second, you can save precious time during setup and breakdown because your camera stores fully assembled. These bags are designed to go anywhere and everywhere without taking a single piece of gear off a rig. If you need to meet international airline carry-on standards, you can choose between 2 shoulder bags, 2 backpacks, and 1 roller. Large diameter shock-absorbing wheels roll well over all kinds of terrain, much better than standard luggage wheels. All bags, with the exception of the 16-inch size, include a pair of padded wraps and a pouch, so you can protect your lenses, viewfinders, and other gear anywhere there's an open space around your rig. The Cineluxe 16 includes 1 wrap since it's a smaller interior. That's what you call smart storage. We use tough 1680 denier ballistic nylon for water repellency and extreme durability. Plus, every bag now includes a silver-black reversible rain cover. You can reflect the sun on hot days or switch to black to blend in. And the backpacks now have a deployable ground cover that keeps the harness clean and dry when you need to put it down on a messy surface. Every bag includes a hidden sleeve for an Apple AirTag or Tile Bluetooth tracker, so you will always have eyes on your kit. The blue dividers have aluminum reinforcements so they can be bent, straightened, and rebent over and over again for builds of any size. Cineluxe bags will fit in the tightest spaces, like equipment carts and crowded locations. They've got the same small footprint open or closed, while other cases can take up twice the space as soon as they're open. The shoulder bags and backpacks have rear trolley straps to piggyback on your rolling cases. We also added a second trolley strap to the bottom of the 21, 21 high top, 24, and 24 high top shoulder bags in case you need to roll the bag through narrow spaces. Molly webbing on the front pocket allows the attachment of Tenba tools battery pouches and card wallets, and they also just generally enable other tools and carabiners to be quickly clipped to the outside of the bag. The side pocket is perfect for batteries, cables, and accessories, but the full-length size also makes it ideal for shotgun mics, rods, and matte box flags. The anodized aluminum bars that make up the doctor opening work with an internal structure to ensure excellent protection on all sides. Locking sliders on the main compartment's YKK zipper will accept an optional luggage lock for extra security. To ensure the bag is comfortable to carry when fully loaded, the center handle is trimmed with full-grain leather on the underside, or you can lift the bag with 2 hands by the end handles. On the interior, a foam lens pillow and security strap keep the lens cradled and the camera stable even when the bag is tilted vertically. But what makes each bag different? At 21 inches, the Cineluxe Roller 21 meets most international carry-on regulations. The Roller 24 has more space for when airline restrictions don't apply. On the interior, we've molded around the middle of the trolley bars to steal back an inch of depth, a perfect fit for camera base plates. They just nestle down in there. The bag comes with removable padded inserts for a flat floor in the bag as well. Need to carry a fully built rig up a mountain? The Cineluxe backpacks are your bags. Built for all-day carrying comfort and featuring Tenba's pivot fit and airflow harness system that automatically adjusts for different body types. The 16-inch backpack fits mirrorless, DSLR, or compact cine cameras like the Sony FX3. The 21-inch backpack meets international carry-on requirements so you can travel with your gear safely stored in the overhead. And the 24-inch model is ideal for carrying a big rig without removing anything. Matte box, monitor, mic, all of it. Carry it fully built, never break it down. The supportive waist belt on all backpacks is removable when you want to slim down the bag. On the shoulder bags, the space-saving pockets on both ends have 2 big benefits. When in use, they pull their space from the interior, which ensures the bag doesn't expand in size. Airlines hate that. And when not in use, they can be pushed back against the inside so there's no wasted space. The flexible shoulder pad is coated with silicone so it won't slip off the shoulder no matter what you're wearing. The 16 and 21-inch shoulder bags meet international carry-on requirements. The 21-inch high top and the 24-inch models, just like the 24-inch backpack, are there when you want to carry a fully assembled rig with plenty of space for mics and monitors to stay attached. The biggest of them all, the new 24 high top, will fit the largest camera systems like the Sony Burano, up to 14 inches or 36 centimeters tall. Cineluxe bags are the result of a long collaboration between the Tenba design team and some very talented and passionate filmmakers and DPs. No matter what kind of filmmaking gear you're using, there is a Cineluxe bag that will make your life easier and provide an uncompromising level of speed and protection.